Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have spoilers for the Boxycharm September box. Now remember, Boxycharm is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items every single month. And if you're already a charmer, you can upgrade your box to the Boxyluxe, which comes every 3 months, which you'll be receiving a box in September. The box is $49.99 every 3 months, and you'll receive 9 to 11 items. If you want more information on Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, check out my link in the description. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the first spoiler. This list was released on Hank and Henry Beauty. He confirmed that he will be in the September box along with the following brands. You have Violet Voss, Tarte, Too Faced, Sunday Riley, Glow Recipe, Dr. Brandt, and Stella. Now this is the newest spoiler that was released, and this was found on Boxycharm Sneak Peeks. This is from Suzanne. You can go ahead and check her out on Instagram because she will also keep you updated. This is the Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. These lipsticks retail for $22 and you'll be receiving one of 3 beautiful shades. The first shade is Angelo, and this is a soft peach nude. Then you have Patina Shimmer. This is a shimmery dusty rose. Then last you have Rubino, which is a beautiful deep red. Now let's go ahead and review the rest of the spoilers that have already been released. First item is from Hank and Henry, and it's the new Slick with the liquid liner. This item hasn't even been released yet. It's going to be a variation between this item and a MAC Cosmetic Frost Lipstick in CB96. The next spoiler, you can receive one of 2 items, the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream or the Pineapple Seed Brightening Serum. The next spoiler is you can receive one of 3 options, the Spongelle Mini Pad Treatment with the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser, or the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Palette, or the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. The next category, you can receive one of 2 items, the Serta Beauty 32mm Clipless Curling Iron, or you can receive the Moda Makeup Brushes 8-piece brush kit. This last category, you can receive one of 2 items, the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette or the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Now here's a look at one of the possible box variations for the September box. What do you think of the spoilers so far? There's a lot of possible box variations, so if you had it your way, what items would you choose to put in your box? So that's all the spoilers I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming spoilers. I also have a 3K giveaway going on right now, so make sure you check out that link. The information will be in the description. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.